Hi and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Today we're taking a closer look at yet another unique timepiece from Horizon Watches. The founder, Fred Becker, used to design watches for other brands and is actually responsible for the Zelos Hammerhead, which is my daily watch and the first microbrand I decided to keep in my collection. A few years ago, he decided to create his own brand called Horizon, and I had the pleasure of reviewing the Nautilus, which was just as unique as this one is. The Pilgrim uses the same two-piece case construction, giving it a very clear separation of different finishes, with the inner part being brushed and the outer polished. The polished part is done to a mirror finish and looks great with a slight curvature, reminding me of my King Seiko. The case measures 41mm in diameter but wears even smaller than the 39mm Beaufort I reviewed recently due to a small dial. Despite both being supercompressor styled watches, this one has a thicker case around the bezel and smaller dial, making it look smaller overall. The lug-to-lug is just 47, making it wear really well on both the strap and the supplied bracelet, which is incredibly comfortable. One thing I would change is the end link, from this generic one to one shaped to fit the case, as like this it ruins the look somewhat, but like I said, the incredible comfort makes up for it. The small dial is the result of one of the best executed date integrations I have ever seen. Replicating the 3 o'clock marker completely, it keeps the dial perfectly symmetrical, while the details are done to perfection. We praise brands when they place a black date disc, but this is on a completely different level. Not only do they use the same font used for the 6, 9, and 12 markers, but also use the same background color and lume, meaning the perfect symmetry stays even in the dark, and you can also read the date in the dark, something you don't see too often. The rest of the dial is well executed as well, with polished applied markers and their signature hands, making it very legible in every situation. Both the dial and bezel are protected with a sapphire crystal that uses 3 layers of anti-reflective coating on the inner side only, just the way I like it. Both crowns are screw-in type, which allows for 200 meters of water resistance. Since the one used for the inner bezel pops out quite a lot when you unscrew it, you can place the bezel perfectly and screw it in without moving the bezel, something other watches with the same system get wrong, which is annoying. The watch is powered by a Sellita SW-200, a Swiss-made movement that beats away 28,800 bph and comes with both hacking and hand winding. The movement is not visible as you get a really nicely decorated case back instead of a see-through one. In my opinion, a good decision. The watch is currently available in a Kickstarter campaign, and there you can get it for $755, which they say is 38% under the future retail price. So if you like it and want one, Kickstarter is definitely the way to go. Despite it being unique in every single way and wearing really well, the thing that makes it stand out from the rest is definitely the date integration. If it wasn't for that, the watch would have been just another take on a supercompressor. But like this, it definitely stands out. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and until the next video, bye.